A paz do Senhor, bom dia, welcome everybody. This is lesson number 4, Brazilian Portuguese online course. My name is Martin. Welcome everybody again. So during last lesson we have learned how to introduce ourselves and how to tell our name, how to ask about the name. Today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the verb to be in Brazilian Portuguese. You have to know that the conjugation in Brazilian Portuguese is a little bit more complicated than in English language. You've got two verbs to be, one which is for definition, for things that never change, like I am Martin, my name is not going to change. And also there is a second verb to be, which is for temporary states. For example, I am happy, that may change. So let's get started. So the first one, which is the stable one and which is for definitions, is ser. And now we are going to tell the conjugation. I am, eu sou. You are, você é. He, she, is, ele, ela, é. We are, nós somos. You are, vocês são. They are, eles, elas são. Now we are going to learn the second one, which is for temporary states, so let's do it. I am, eu estou. You are, você está. He, she, is, ele, ela, está. We are, nós estamos. You are, vocês são. They are, eles, elas estão. Thank you very much for your attention and till next time. Ciao!